Hello my friends, in this short video I'll explain what settings to modify in the override file to optimize Neutronex mining, or better said, Einstein at Home task completion. Don't just copy-paste my settings, it depends on the device used, the cooling system, the extra use you give to it and many other factors. It's a testing process. Navigate using the arrows. PCT means percentage. It determines when the device is considered in use, how much time after the last mouse or keyboard use to wait until it starts computing again. It allows some devices to enter low power mode after mouse or keyboard last use, but I don't know to which type of computers it refers to. Setting it to 0 looks like the best setting if this option applies to our devices. It suspends the computation for Neutronex if the CPU is in use by other programs more than the set number as a percentage. Set it to 1 for the suspended computations, or tasks, to be stored in memory and resume from the last checkpoint, no work being lost. The period to compute for one task before jumping to the next, most of the time 60 minutes is enough. Set it higher if you see unfinished tasks in the Einstein at Home dashboard. Maximum cores to be used for solving tasks. In my example, the device's CPU has 8 cores, 87.5% means 7 cores will be used for Neutronex tasks. I advise you to be exact with the percentages if you want the desired result. The time the selected CPU cores to work on tasks. If it's set at 90%, it works 9 seconds out of 10. If it's set at 75%, it works 3 seconds out of 4. In my case, 100% working time. But consider having a good cooling system in place. The maximum and minimum space used for the project, make sure the last line, the percentage, is not set less than the maximum set in the first one. How often, in seconds, tasks save their state to the disk, so they can be resumed from that point in case of interruption. Virtual memory, or page file, or swap file, it shouldn't be higher than 3 times the total random access memory, or RAM. It might speed up the task completion, but it'll occupy that space on the disk. If you don't have a big enough disk, leave it 0, it won't make such a big difference. The total RAM to be used when the device is at use or not at use. Store at least that amount of days of work locally. It can be used as decimals like 0.5 days, and the additional work in days to be stored in case the first amount finishes earlier. These are the settings I consider important for optimizing our devices according to our needs. I'll leave a link to a full explanation link regarding every setting in part in the description, as always. Thanks for watching.